Good morning, day 2, New York City. Heading to the subway for the first time. Going down to get some breakfast in Lower Manhattan. Well, I know the lingo, it's so cool. Just had some breakfast at a place called Bubby's. Good food. Always still sticker shocked at the price difference here. And just for, a cup of coffee is $4. So, but it's New York. It's New York. All right. Good. They built a lot of restaurants built these little side street enclosures, like right in the parking lanes. We got this, and then across the way there's another one. You can see it got painted. It's pretty interesting. All right, we out here on the Hudson River in a kayak. This is awesome. Got the New York side over here where we came from, the pier over there. Across the river to the New Jersey side. Kayaking was fun. It's free to do. They take donations, so just show up and you can walk right out and get a kayak. Made it to the Central Park area. Got your COVID-19 testing van up there. Central Park's over that way, but gonna grab some coffee first. Rented some bikes for a tour of Central Park. Just stopped at Balto down there. It's so cool. Stopped for a little ice cream at the Boathouse, and yeah, definitely spend the whole day here in Central Park just looking at everything. It's crazy. Next stop is a castle, which I never knew they had in Central Park, like a legit castle. I think, I don't know. I'm gonna check it out. So I had to stop at the Gapstow Bridge, it's called, featured in Home Alone 2, somewhere in the movie, I forget where. I also stopped at this other arch over here that I think was another little walkway arch in the movie, but pretty cool. So I've always wanted to get a hot dog in New York from one of the stands here. So we're gonna do that. Get a hot dog, $2 hot dog, something like that. Well, this one's $4. Well, yeah, $4. What? We go. Back at our hotel rooftop. Welcome to our private cabana. Cool thing about this rooftop is just bring your own drinks up here or food and just kind of hang out. Still on the agenda tonight, we have the Empire State Building we got tickets for. We go up to the 86th floor. But first, a little bit of dinner. So I should have explained before, we tried to go to this 99-cent pizza place. That was closed, so we just kind of walked up the street. And there's like another pizza place that had 99-cent cheese slices. Anyway, we got 3 pieces of pizza for $6. Pretty good. I mean, it wasn't. I mean, it was our first slice of pizza so far. Well, it's raining. Very rainy and windy. We're on the calmest side right now.
I don't see anything.
Without the wind. Can't really see a whole lot here with the light shining on the rain. There's Times Square over there. This is the worst side of the building here. It's a little windy up here. Nothing to worry about. Well, the Empire State Building was kind of a fail, but it was kind of still cool. Still see some things, but the rain kind of washed us out. The rain and the wind up there. So went across the street, not too far, get some more pizza. Trying out Little Italy pizza. Come back to the hotel room here, and you know, relaxing, checking out the TV, see what's on TV. I guess we had an eventful day, so we're gonna leave it at that. Have some pizza, and call it a night, and get a good day in tomorrow. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.